And we're back, guys. We got another episode of the Pentagon hints at alien mothership in our solar system. We're here to talk about aliens, extraterrestrial life, different types of UFOs, alien sightings, the possibility of the aliens being dissected, and alien craft being reverse engineered, and Area 51, conspiracy theories, the possibility of the ancient aliens, alien abduction, alien invasion, different types of alien encounters. I think the last one I read was the Pascuigla, the Roswell incident, unidentified flying objects, government cover-ups, alien technology, alien conspiracy, alien documentaries, crop circles, the Men in Black, different types of alien civilizations, interstellar travel, alien planets, the Fermi paradox, space exploration, the Drake equation, the wow signal, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, the existence of aliens, the possibility of alien life, the implications of alien impact, and the implications of alien contact, the impact of aliens in society, and more. So we found another article. The Pentagon believes alien mothership could be eyeing Earth. Somebody get Captain Stephen Hiller, the Will Smith character, on the line ASAP in an article published yesterday, which is not yesterday, but many days ago, not that many, March 14th by Fox News. The outlet revealed that the United States officials think that UFOs could visit our planet soon. In fact, the Pentagon has reason to believe that an alien mothership is in our solar system. Actually, I think it's taken way out of context. I think Avi Loeb, astrophysicist out of Harvard, is just theorizing that a possible mothership could exist, not that one actually exists in our solar system. Last week, officials stated that these supposed alien aircrafts could send small probes to our planet in order to study it, similar to how NASA does on missions. Sean Kirkpatrick, the director of Pentagon's All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office, try to say that 3 times fast, and Abram Loeb, chairman of Harvard University's astronomy department. Let's try it. All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office. All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office. All-Domain Anomaly Resolution Office. Oh, almost. Shared their findings on March 7th. Shared their feelings. Oh, it's turned woke. An artificial interstellar object could potentially be a parent craft that releases many small probes during its close passage to Earth. An operational construct not too dissimilar from NASA's missions. Why would the Pentagon release Avi Loeb's theory that there may be a mothership in our system? Well, one idea is public interest and transparency. The Pentagon may choose to share information about Avi Loeb's theory to maintain transparency and to address public interest in extraterrestrial life and different types of space phenomena. Scientific collaboration. Releasing the theory may be intended to encourage further research and collaboration with the scientific community, leading to a better understanding of our solar system and potential extraterrestrial life. National security. If the Pentagon believes that the presence of a potential mothership in our solar system could pose a threat or security risk, they may release information about the theory to raise awareness and prompt a collaborative response from other nations. Well, who knows? Who is Avi Loeb? Avi Loeb is an Israeli-American astrophysicist and theoretical physicist. He was born on June 26, 1962 in Beit Hanan, Israel. As my knowledge cut off and got me. Loeb is known for his work in various fields of astrophysics, including the first stars, the epoch of reionization, the formation and evolution of massive black holes, and the search for extraterrestrial life. He has published numerous scientific papers and has been a frequent contributor to popular science publications. Loeb gained significant public attention with his book Extraterrestrial, the first sign of intelligent life beyond Earth, published in 2021. In the book, he discussed the interstellar objects Oumuamua, which passed, I hope I'm saying that right, which passed through our solar system in 2017. The hypothesized that it could potentially be an aircraft object, an artificial object. Sorry, my eyes aren't doing so well. Possibly of extraterrestrial origin. The hypothesis generated significant debate and controversy within the scientific community as well as public interest in the search for extraterrestrial life. Is it possible? What could an alien mothership want with us humans in our galaxy? Well, let's explore. Observation and research. Like humans, extraterrestrial beings might have a curiosity about other life forms and their evolutionary development. They could be observing and studying us to better understand the universe and its diverse inhabitants. Resource acquisition. If extraterrestrial life exists, they may require resources, more pylons, some of which may be available on Earth or within our solar system. This could range from raw materials and minerals to biological resources or even information. I heard it put forth one time that possibly, other than technology, maybe art is the only reason they come here. And art is we're like a farm for art. Who knows? Cultural exchange. Advanced civilizations might be interested in learning from other species and their cultures, potentially leading to an exchange of knowledge, technology, and ideas. Expansion or colonization. An alien civilization may be searching for habitable planets to expand their territory, and Earth could be a potential target for colonization or terraforming. Who knows? You know? What about that blob, that algae bloom in Florida, the red tide algae bloom, Florida? Now, who knows what's going on with that? Maybe the aliens live deep within the ocean and they're mad at us for the way we've who knows. It's important to emphasize that these are purely speculative ideas. Yeah, right. These are speculative ideas. Could aliens have a mothership in our galaxy want to harm us? Who have a mothership in our galaxy want to harm us? As previously mentioned, it is impossible to determine the intentions of a hypothetical alien civilization with certainty. While it is possible that an alien species with a mothership in our galaxy could have hostile intentions toward humans, it is important to remember that any speculation about extraterrestrial life is based on our limited understanding and perspective. If an advanced alien civilization exists and possesses the capability to travel vast distances across the galaxy, they could have technological superiority and different motivations compared to humans. Their reasons for interacting with us may be entirely different from what we can imagine. It is crucial to approach this topic with a balanced perspective and to remain open to the possibility that any interaction with extraterrestrial life could either be positive or negative. What about neutral? The best course of action is to continue our scientific exploration and understanding of the universe while preparing for any potential challenges or opportunities that may arise from contact with other civilizations. Based off the last reading, I thought to myself, well, what if is it possible that sentient life could be based on anything other than carbon? What an asinine thought. The possibility of life based on elements other than carbon is an intriguing concept in the field of astrobiology. Carbon-based life forms, like those found on Earth, are built around complex organic molecules, with carbon serving as the primary building block. This is because carbon atoms can form stable, diverse, and complex bonds with a wide range of other atoms, allowing for the development of the large molecules necessary for life as we know it. However, scientists have considered the possibility of alternative biochemistries that could be based on other elements. One such element is silicon, which is chemically similar to the carbon and can also form stable bonds with other elements. Although silicon-based life has not been observed, it remains an interesting theoretical possibility. Regarding the organisms, and I also was wondering about Lake Shasta, because I couldn't remember if something's going on in Lake Shasta. It's important to note that the organisms in Lake Shasta are still carbon-based. In some extreme environments like Lake Shasta, certain microorganisms have adapted to thrive in conditions that are inhospitable to most other life forms. These organisms, known as extremophiles, can survive high levels of salinity, extreme temperatures, or intense radiation, among other harsh conditions. However, they still rely on carbon as their primary building block. Maybe like for an alien, nuclear war is a shower, and they're just trying to get clean. While it is challenging to predict the full range of possible biochemistries that might exist in the universe, the search for extraterrestrial life focuses on expanding our understanding of the conditions and chemical elements that could potentially support life on Earth. How possible? What's the probability of alien? What's the probability of life in our solar system other than being on Earth? We got Mars with its geological history of water and a more Earth-like climate. Mars has been a prime target for search for extraterrestrial life. Although Mars is currently cold and dry, evidence of past liquid water and the presence of subsurface water reservoirs, such as underground ice, make it a potential candidate for microbial life. We have Europa, one of the moons of Jupiter. Europa has a subsurface ocean beneath its icy crust, which could provide a suitable environment for life. The ocean is believed to be in contact with Europa's rocky mantle, which could provide the necessary chemical elements and energy resources for life to exist. Enceladus, I hope I'm saying that right. Encelada. Saturn's moon Enceladus also has a subsurface ocean, has been observed spewing water vapor and ice particles into space through geysers. The discovery of organic molecules and potential hydrothermal activity within the moon's ocean makes it another candidate for hosting life. We have Titan, Saturn's largest moon. Titan has a thick atmosphere, and its surface is covered with lakes and rivers of liquid hydrocarbons, such as methane and ethane. While the environment is very different from Earth, some researchers speculate that exotic forms of life could potentially exist there. I'll get back to the article a little bit. Look at this. What does this look like? I never played that game Mass Effect, but this looks like one of those things, maybe. Who knows? Saw it on YouTube. Not that interesting. American officials have been developing units to investigate strange phenomena for quite some time. The All-American Anomaly Research Organization, launched in July 2022, they track unidentified objects near and on Earth. 2005 Pan-STARRS telescope was created for NASA. The Pan-STARRS telescopes were created for NASA to locate 90% of objects in Earth's orbit larger than 140 meters, which is how the potential alien mothership was said to be detected. Before that, on October 19th, 2017, the telescopes noticed a strange interstellar object and named it Oumuamua, meaning scout, in Hawaiian. It traveled away from the sun without a cometary tail, leading scientists to classify the object as artificial. Government officials say another object absent of a cometary trail was discovered 3 years later in 2020, and 6 months before Oumuamua made its closest approach to Earth. An interstellar meteor, IM-2, measuring a meter long, crashed on our planet and had identical speeds relative to the sun at large distances, with the exact same shape as Oumuamua. With proper design, these tiny probes could reach the Earth or other solar system planets for exploration, as the parent craft passes by within a fraction of the Earth-Sun separation, just like Oumuamua did. Astronomers would not be able to notice the spray of mini probes because they do not reflect enough sunlight for existing survey telescopes to notice them. Researchers said of the alien activity. You got this guy, we was Vikings. Pentagon officials wrote a report that there may be a mothership in our solar system sending these little UFOs like Independence Day, and no one talking about it. Oof. Looks like we've got an official photo here. Nothing to worry about if they're only that small. Oof. What else we got? Unfortunately, we only got one article released from the Pentagon. Pentagon's holding back. They don't want to let us know anything. Shame. In other news, I'd like to talk about the, what was it? Here we go. This is an interesting one. This is more interesting than aliens. Censorship or revolution. Sensitivity readers divide publishing world. It's a profession which is increasingly under the spotlight as the culture culture wars rhyme on. Sensitivity readers, editors who identify insensitivities or stereotypes in manuscripts. I didn't even know this is a thing. This is a thing. Are becoming a light. I guess this was a thing. Becoming a lightning rod for the publishing industry. Such readers have worked in the wings of the Western literary world for years now. They are largely confined to children's literature, where they should have stayed, because it's something that should be contained to children. Adults shouldn't need people changing words. But amid social reckonings such as the Me Too and Black Lives Matter movements, sensitivity readers are becoming prominent in contemporary fiction also, and not everyone is pleased about it. Publishers are doing a darn good job trying to ruin our books and to ruin our fun as readers. The American author of We Need to Talk About Kevin, Lionel Shriver, complained on ultra-conservative British channel GB News last month. Yeah, it sounds like a bunch of hogwash to me. A bunch of absurdities. I started to write something on that, but I don't know that I want to go into it because it gets real dark. It made me think of like in the future when we've got all these smart cities, because no one's standing up at the moment. You're gonna have to have a mangla of the tech world. You know what I mean? And instead of like experimenting physiologically on humans, you'll have like MK Ultra programs where they stick ultra conservatives in one area and ultra left, ultra conservative, ultra right in one area, ultra left in another, and they attack them with information, just like what's being done right now. All right, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.